Happy Friday, Loveland High School. This is Todd Ball, your principal, and I wanted to get together for just a little bit to talk about the start of the week next week and what you can do to be prepared and be successful. So, I would like to introduce another person, the moderator of this. It's Assistant Principal Jeanette Ryan. So, Ms. Ryan, would you mind saying hello?
Hello, Loveland High community. Thank you for joining us. We're really excited to welcome you back to school next week.
All right, so here we go. Let's talk about what you can do. First of all, we start next Monday. So the preparation for next Monday actually starts on Sunday. If you would, please make sure that you check your schedule so that you know what it is. It'll be in and ready for you to take a look at by 5 p.m. on Sunday. It may be earlier, but if you would make sure and look at that so that you know what your classes are, periods 1, 2, 3, 4, that would be wonderful. Then, next thing, we start on Monday with freshmen only. Freshmen, we are so excited to have you aboard. It's going to be freshmen only on Monday, and that day is just for you. There's a whole schedule of things that are going to be happening that day, and I want to walk you through step by step what that day is going to entail. So Mrs. Ryan is going to project the schedule up on the screen so that you can see it, and it starts with, first of all, we want to welcome you. The whole goal of this day is for you to connect to Loveland High School. I wish it were in person, but we're going to probably do, when the day comes that we can come back in person, do another transition day so that you can come into the building physically and get used to the building. But this virtual welcome is going to do a lot. First of all, you're going to get to see who your teachers are. Second of all, you're going to ask questions. You're going to see a little bit of the building. You're going to have student leadership that are upperclassmen help guide through the orientation to Loveland High School. And they are really great, and they're here to help you. So the schedule, sometime between 8 and 8:30, you've got to log into what's called a base group. So all freshmen have been divided into groups, base groups, with a certain number in them. There are student leaders in the base group. There are teachers and staff members in the base group. And to log into that, here's what you do. You open your Chromebook. There's a Google Classroom icon in the bottom. You click on that Google Classroom icon. It'll take you to your classes, and there will be something in there called Base Group. So you log into that base group. I would suggest you not wait until 8:30 to do that, just so that if there's bugs or kinks or you can't get in, you have time to get yourself help. Now, how do you get help if you're not able to get in? You go to meets.google.com and you type in LHS help. In that LHS help group, there will be people there to help you with all of the tech things that you need in order to get on. So please know that you can log into a Google Meet, and it is LHS help. And that's going to be something that if you need it, please go there and we'll help you. So schedule goes like this. Base group 1, you get to meet some people, connect with some people, learn about Loveland High, and that's the start. Then at 9:15, there's a 5-minute break. And that 5-minute break is important. You can take care of yourself. You can go through and you can get something, some water or some things that you need just to have a little stretch. If you would, though, please make sure that you follow that time frame. At 9:20, you're back, and so that we can start the next group and you know what's happening. At 9:20, there's another base group, and that's getting to know Loveland High School. There's some video introductions. You'll meet some of the key people at Loveland High School. We'll answer some questions for you, and it'll be really good. After that, we have another probably 10-minute break where you can go through and just take a deep breath, get something to eat, and then come on back. At 9:50, what we do is 9:55 actually, we go through and we start rotating you through your classes. So you can see the schedule there at 9:55 to 10:05, you have your period 1. You will have a teacher in there, and that is the teacher of the class. So you get to meet the teacher, see who the teacher is, and hear about the class that you're in. So you keep rotating through the classes, meeting the teachers, meeting some of the students that are in the classes, and it's just to give you an idea of all the things that you'll be doing. So at 10:50 to 11 o'clock, we have a break after you've rotated through the classes. And at 11 o'clock, you're going to talk to the counselors. The counselors are there to guide you from the time of day 1 till the time that you graduate from Loveland High School. They talk to you about a lot of the things that you need in your travels through Loveland High till you're a senior. Then it ends up that we have another little break, come back at 11:30, and we've got another base group. What do you need to be successful at Loveland High School? That's going to be talked about because our goal is to help you every step of the way. So at the end, we'll do kind of a survey of what you may need so that we can look at that and help you out. And that'll be the end of the Monday for freshmen. So this day again is for you, and it's to help you just get out of the kinks and bugs worked out before we all start together on Tuesday. Now, Tuesday, let's talk about that. That is the first day of school with 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th graders. This particular day, what we do is real similar. You will follow this schedule. It starts at 8:30 with your first period class. Your first period class, you log in the same way. You open your Chromebook, you click on the Google Classroom icon, you find your period 1 class, and you log in. From there, your instructor and teacher will talk about the class and guide you through what you do. There's about 15-minute breaks in between periods 1, 2, 3, and 4. But you go through the 4 periods and the day closes at 12:40. So again, I want you to know that on Tuesday for sophomores through seniors, if you have problems, you still log into the Google Meet. It is LHS Help, and we'll help you go through and get into the class, get set, and work any bugs out. So I wanted you to kind of just have a little bit of the basics on how the week, Monday, Tuesday is going to flow. And from there, Mrs. Ryan, would you like to add anything that I may have missed?
I think I would just add that I know there's a lot of information coming out right now to all of the families as we get ready to start school. The newsletter was published on Thursday, the 27th of August, so that was posted to social media and also sent to student and parent email addresses. So if you did not receive that, it could be that we need a new email address for you. So if you'd like to update your information, please do that in Infinite Campus in the parent portal, or you can reach out to our registrar, Tina Pyle, and we can get that taken care of for you. We certainly want you to get all the important information that's coming out, and look forward to meeting you all next week.
So, yay, we're excited to have you start. So Sunday, check your schedules. if you're a ninth grader, Monday, be ready to go in and log in to the base groups and have the ninth grade transition day. All students on Tuesday, be ready to log in and be there by 8:30. So check your Google Classrooms. And then the last thing that I have to say, if you are a Thompson Connect Online student, you'll participate on Monday with the freshman transition day if you're a freshman. So the same would apply. Instructions will be emailed to Thompson Connect Online about what their Tuesday will look like, what their Wednesday will look like. So look for that email, please. But here we go, Loveland High. Really excited, and have a great weekend. Thanks a bunch.